I'm Joshua Cisneros with Finance Security Credit Union. And let's go get some behind the scenes on the Youth Summer Bash. Let's go.
Today here for Young and Free New Mexico. Got
Joshua Cisneros with the Finance Security Credit Union.
You're really good at your plugs, aren't you?
Yeah.
You really are.
When you make a lot of videos, you learn exactly how to say your line. Trust me.
Nice. Do you have any tips for me for my upcoming year?
Just have fun with it.
Have fun with it?
Yeah, really. Just have fun. Let your mind flow. Peanut butter sandwiches are really good. Also,
how are you enjoying the Youth Summer Bash here in Carlsbad?
it is so much fun. Everybody is just playing basketball. Everybody's just running around. We're just shooting each other with water guns. It is just amazing, and it is also really fun.
Nice, nice. Now, can you talk a little bit more about the Kirby Kangaroo program and everything like that?
Yeah, the Kirby Kangaroo program is basically a program for kids where we host events, and you guys get to come to it, and it's also where you can hold money in and keep safe.
Nice, perfect.